Hi everyone, Deb here. I am back with one of my two prize winnings, which I was shocked at. So this is from Jennifer, and look at this card. I did open the card, but I didn't look at anything else. It says, "Walk towards the sunshine, and the shadows will fall behind you." How adorable is that? Mary Engelbrett. Ah, very pretty. So cute. And this is from Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories. I think I can share it. Her birthday live. So I guess she also had a birthday, but it was 2024, so sometime in December. Congrats on winning. I hope you enjoy the prizes I have sent you. Happy New Year. Thank you very much, Jennifer. I think we had to comment something on her live, and I was like late to the live and I still won. I was like, whoa, I kind of felt bad for the other people, but thank you. I'll accept. And it came in this box that's about the size of the small priority boxes, only a little deeper. So yeah, okay, let's open it up together. Looky, looky, looky. So we have right off some little pom-poms. I'm assuming she made these. How cute. I can use them on a tassel or something, right? But then there is a book. I'm going to take this out and put the box somewhere else. And yes, we lost a little bit of that one. I saved the tissue, unless it's all torn up. Look at this. It's laminated. It's a little book. This is really cool. That looks like graphic 45 paper to me. It might be. I don't know. Let me know. And even the this thing matches. What is it? A snap. Oh, this is interesting. This is so cool. Oh, look at this. Each little thing. Oh, it's a little binder. That's so cool. Did you make the binder? Wow. So here we have some little goodies, little tickets and things I guess she made. Well, I'm sure she did. Let me see if I can. This looks like is it together? I guess it's together. Or, no, oh no, there we go. Tickets. So cool. One sec. Okay, so we have the little tickets. We have this postage stamp on a little postage stamp thing. 2 cents, wow. And a little tag with the greenery. So cute. On book page. That is so cute. Okay, let me tuck them back in this little pocket. And then this is a little card, the constellations. What a cool idea to make a little book like this. And this is a little card put in here. And then some book page. Oh, it's a little pocket. Boredom Blues, I guess. Oh, a little envelope. Oh, how cute. Oh, it's a little fold out. March and toadstools and dragonflies. That is really cool. Very cool. In a little book page envelope. How cute. And here, I guess it's a journaling spot, but it's a tag with book page torn and some of the paper up there. And then a blank page, which she has, I don't know if you can see, she has it tucked in 4 places. And then these cutouts from something, maybe a book page or a calendar or something, but they're so pretty. And then matching little, what do they call that? Like crepe? It feels like a crepe ribbon, CREPE, or chiffon or something. Yeah, very pretty. And then another little book page pocket. Nothing in that one that I see. I can put my own little goodies in. And Lily of the Valley. That's pretty. Look how sparkly. Sparkle, sparkle. And that's a little pocket too. This is so cute. And look, a little record thing. And that's made out of like old paper or coffee dyed paper or something. Yeah. Wishes and a sticker. And that's like a vintagey Paris paper. Lots of places to write, and in my journals I do like to write, so thank you for that. And then we have another pocket like the one in the front. Another little toadstool ticket. And let me see, yes, it opens up too. So you could actually, write something in here with marker or something, but I don't think I'll be able to. Now this one is 4 cents, ooh, instead of 2. I moved up in the world from 2 to 4. Let's see if I can get it back in there. That's a cute little pocket. And another one of these, the constellations with the feathers. And another book page, and that is like a tuck spot that I can put in whatever I so choose. And a blank tag. And another card. Lots of writing room. I appreciate that, actually. And this is interesting. Oh, it's like tulle. It's like a, I don't know if she dyed it. It's a purple tulle or whatever you call that stuff with the dots on. I know Dollar Tree had it, but it was a much thicker material that was green and red. So I don't know if she made the splatter on there herself or not, but that's a beautiful flower and leaves behind it and on green, like a journaling card or something. Yeah, love life. And she's angled it. That's not a pocket, right? No, but she made it to cover this one, which is another pocket. That's so cool that you do that. And then another vintagey looking paper with a ship on it, and then these beautiful flowers or blooms or buds or whatever they are. I'm not sure. I don't know all my plant matter. Another tag and another little pocket. So many little pockets and tucks and writing spots. And let's just look at the other side. So cute. Seattle's Blueprint. Ah, I have some old books. I don't have a problem taking apart old textbooks, and I have a few of those I got at a yard sale. But I do have some issue with me personally taking apart regular reading books and stuff. I don't know why. Textbooks get outdated. Reading books, I feel like, well, I know everything's electronic now, but I have trouble. I can't read a book electronically. It just bothers my eyes. Anyway, I'm just going through. Very pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm just checking to make sure. Yeah. Very pretty. Now I have to figure out what I'll use this for. Oh, look at the owl and the blue mushrooms. Let your dreams take flight. Yes. I'm working on that even though I'm so old. I still have dreams and a bucket list kind of thing, right? Fairy tale. I believe these are the lily of the valley again. And these look like maybe clear stickers. Little bits of lace. That's an interesting way to do that. Never seen that done before. Cool. Is that a pocket? No. Oh, and that's on an index card. Look at that. Which she stained. And I don't know if that's tea or coffee or just ink and then watered and dried. I'll have to watch and see. Oh, that's cute. She's got the pink wrapped around like a binding. Like, see, you can see it through there. It's holding those two cards. So if you took them out, they'd be like together. You could use them. Hope that made sense. And more little tickets with the botanicals and the, I'm going to say dragonflies. Yep. And a bee, too. Bees are okay as long as they don't sting me. And another one of these constellations with the flowers on. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that one. And another tag. Awesome. And then we have some blueberries and ladybugs and strawberries. That's really cool how you did that. So I have to know, do you just buy this part and then put it together? Let me know, Jennifer, if you see this. Hopefully you will. All right, let's move on so I don't have you here all day. She gave me some of the papers, like the constellation kind of papers. Oh, these are so cool. I'm going to have to be using these to do altered index cards and stuff. Oh, I love that one. And you could even stamp something in here. Oh, so cool. Or put a sticker or something. These are really cool. Where did you find these? I bet you're going to say Temu or Amazon. I could search all day and not find the neat stuff that some of you all find. That one's the same as these. Very pretty. Love, love those. Oh, and some dictionary paper. That's good because I really don't have any. Years ago, I had an old Webster dictionary or 2 or 5 or something, and I believe they all went to the thrift store before I knew about junk journaling and stuff. Yeah, so I have some V's and some B's. Yeah, and A's. We're in the A's here. Cool. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to put that under those. Oh, and some while we were out. Yep. My very first job was a secretary. And yes, I use them all the time. Let's do this stuff back here before we get into that. Is this a calendar page? Oh, it's made into an envelope. Look. Isn't that a cool idea? Now, see, yep, it looks like, oh, it's magazine page, I think, and not, but you could do that with the calendar pictures too. How cool is that? Good idea. Thank you, Jennifer. I will remember that. And some map. We have Texas. What else is on here? This is good because all I have is Pennsylvania and New Jersey and Maryland, I think. The road less traveled. Capital area. Oklahoma City. Ah, cool. Oh, it's Oklahoma. How about that? Cool. Thank you. That's so cool. All right, let's see what's in here. This is really cool. I love seeing what other people have and send out. Little bunnies. That'll be so cute at Easter time. Or a little journal. These are also shiny, like from magazine or something, made into little tags. One sec. Okay, never mind. And some, abstract pumpkin, maybe? I don't know. Oh, look at that. These little bunnies. They're so cute. And these are shiny, like out of a book. I think these are out of a book. Honestly, that one creeps me out a little bit. I'm a little bit afraid of clowns, but that's okay. Okay. To be a cowboy. Huh. I guess he was pretending to be a clown. We can cover that up. Oh, and there's some words out of it about bunnies and different things. I won't open that right now, but what a pretty little packet, though. And it has a seal, zip seal thingy right here. I won't open that, but thank you, thank you. So I guess I better do, oh, these are pockets already made. I can make a bunny journal. Look, see? I don't know what book this was. I'm not familiar. I don't think it's Peter Rabbit. Nah, it can't be. Right? Oh, so cute though. Aww. You'll have to tell me, Jennifer, if and this has like dots on it. I don't know if she has a die that does that or if she used something like, where is it? Like, I don't know, I have a rolly thing. Here it is. Like this, that you can put your own perforations on, but they're really straight, so I don't know. If so, she's really good at it because I can't do it that straight, that's for sure. Oh, and some tickets. So cool. Made out of the same or different book page or book or magazine. You know what magazine comes to mind is that Highlights for Children. You guys remember that? And these are all larger tags. Oh, look at that one. That looks familiar. I should know this. It's been a while since I have little kids, right? And honestly, this book probably was from, many years ago. Cabbage and Carrot. Aw. Is this Peter Rabbit? I don't think it's Peter Rabbit. I don't remember these images. So anyway, and there's more here. Old Granddaddy Bunny. The old wood stoves. Cool. Tractors. Aw. Mama reading stories. And the artiste. Thank you very much, Jennifer. I'll put these back in here. I really appreciate your kindness and allowing me to win. Have a chance at winning and winning, which, like I said, really shocked me. So I'll make use of the little book and these other goodies. Not sure what I'll do with all the bunnies yet, but I love the tickets and the little words and everything. This one we'll tuck under. And the map and the ideas for making their little pockets. All this stuff too. I might have some of this. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. I'll still use it. And I love, love, love these and the dictionary pages because I didn't have anything like that. So yes, thank you so much. So that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go show Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories some crafty love. I will link her channel down below. There's her channel name, Scrapbooks and Memories, and it's Jennifer. And I actually met her through, I believe, Martha Makes Art's live stream. So you never know, do you? So yeah, go check her out too. And I will talk to you again very soon, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.